औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़्तह अलीना हिकमतका वंशुर अलीना रहमतका या ज़ल जलाली वल इकराम अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी अस्अलुका इल्मन नाफ़िअन व अमलन मुतक़ब्बलन व रिज़्क़न तय्यिबा. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to convert the whole document into any other language like Turkish, like Urdu, like Arabic, and any other language, Romanian, ठीक है, Danish, okay, Bengali, French, Japanese, Marathi, okay, Hindi, Punjabi. You can select Chinese, you can select any language, and you can convert any text paragraph into that target language. And when you click here on this document, you are able to convert the whole PDF document. For example, you can convert Word document, you can convert PDF, PPT, PowerPoint presentation, and Excel file. You can convert into any other target languages, or even you can convert the whole website into any other language. So now I'm going to take start. It's all about Google Translator. Okay, let's take a start. First of all, click on new tab, just click on that and type Google, enter. And now on the top right corner, you see over here Google app, just click on that, scroll down and just click on translator, and you will get this interface. First one is when you will enter any text, it will convert into any that other target language, and then you can even listen it when you click on microphone or speaker. So let's try this, and then we'll convert the whole document, then we'll convert the whole website into that target language. I'm converting paragraph into Urdu language, and also converting the whole document into Urdu language, and even the website. So let's take a start. First of all, I'm going to pick this text I have selected over here, this one. Okay, let me copy this, right click, copy, and go back to Google Translator, just right click, paste it over here, and it will convert that text into Urdu language. So first of all, let me listen this one. Just click on this speaker, right click on
Sir Muhammad Iqbal KT was a South Asian Muslim
It's not KT. Let me edit this. Whatever I will edit over here, it will reflect over here. Sir Muhammad Iqbal KT. It's not KT. I don't know what is meant by KT, but I'm going to change this. I'm going to write here Dr. Alama Muhammad Iqbal. So it will reflect here as well. Can you see over here? Okay, now let me click here.
Dr. Alama Muhammad Iqbal was a South Asian Muslim writer, philosopher, and politician, whose poetry in the Urdu language is considered among the greatest of the 20th century, and whose vision of a...
Okay, now let me start this one.
डॉक्टर अल्लामा मोहम्मद इकबाल एक जनूबी एशियाई मुसलमान अदीब, फलसफी और सियासतदान थे, जिनकी उर्दू जुबान में शायरी को 20वीं सदी की अजीम तरीन शायरी में शुमार किया जाता है, और जिनका विजन एक
Isn't it? It's very interesting. It will help you. Even the teachers can utilize this. Student can utilize this for their assignments, for their presentations. Okay. Now next one is I'm going to explore this document, how to convert the whole document into any other language. So let me click here, document, and now it will give you these options. Browse your computer. Okay, click on it. Now here I'm going to pick a file from here. I'm using the past papers. Okay, let me show you first that how it look like, this past paper. Let me pick one question paper from here, drag and drop it over here in that browser, and it look like this one. Can you see over here? October November 2015, computer science, paper 1, theory. I'm going to convert this whole paper into Urdu language. So let's start how to convert this. Okay, October November 2015. Okay, now click here. So select October November 2015 question paper, this one, click on it, and now click on open. It will upload over here. Now click on translate into target language. I have selected Urdu, translate. Now click on download and it will appear over here. Just click on it, double click. Now zoom in. Can you see over here? Cambridge International Examination, Cambridge Ordinary Level, candidate name, center name, computer science and all that. Now just click a translated version of this one. आम सतही कैम्ब्रिज इंटरनेशनल इम्तिहानात आम सतही कैंडिडेट नेम अक्टूबर नवंबर 2015 उम्मीदवार सवाल पेपर्स पर जवाब देते हैं किसी इजाफी मवाद की ज़रूरत नहीं किसी कैलकुलेटर की इजाज़त नहीं ओके एंड आफ्टर दैट स्क्रॉल डाउन लुक हियर होल पेपर इज़ कन्वर्टेड PDF paper is converted into Urdu language, English to Urdu. FA7, D3E, Dajjal, 2 हेक्साडेसिमल नंबरों को बाइनरी में तब्दील करें. Interesting ना? Okay, try it at yourself at your end. Okay, now let me go for another one. Okay, now I'm going to convert what else? Now I'm going to convert the website, whole website into Urdu language. So let me click on website. I have already pasted one link over here. I have taken this link from here. So let me copy this link. This website, or where is that website? This one. This website. Just copy this link, right click, copy and paste it over here. And now convert this into Urdu language. I'm converting this website. रेख्ता इलामा इकबाल सितारों से आगे जहाँ और भी हैं तेरे इश्क की इंतहा चाहता हूँ कभी यह हकीकत मुंतज़िर नज़र आ लिबास हिजाज में. Okay, now let's try. Look there. Whole website translated. Let me show you live. So when you click here, it will take you to the another tab over here, and now it's converting the whole website into Urdu. इलामा इकबाल लाहौर पाकिस्तान के जी उर्दू के अजीम शायरों में से एक पाकिस्तान के कौमी शायर जिन्होंने सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा और लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी लिखी. Look there. सितारों से आगे जहाँ और भी हैं. That's how you can convert the whole website into any other language. So use this Google Translator. It's very interesting and very effective. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Long live Pakistan.